Exaggeration.
Anyway,
you guys are awesome too. From the biggest to the littlest.
Think about that, dude.
Including Jeremy.
Oh man.
Had to be in there.
Yeah.
I don't like what it says already.
You heard Romy? Dude, that's why Romy doesn't like soccer.
Hand grenade, I pulled the pin on.
The funny part is the kid's really good at soccer.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh, yeah.
I know. I didn't talk. Oh, yeah.
And then you're gonna, the back of it, you're gonna be really
What's the next step?
Bring Joel over. Joel knows how to run it.
What's the next step?
Which, like, those things don't.
Take 3 weeks before you turn it on.
Oh man, battery's dead.
Yeah.
I'm sure, like, you know.
Guys, this is a little too much.
Yes, it is. I don't like it.
Teach me how to run it, I like it.
Have Sarah over for the day.
Sarah? Okay, Sarah.
Somebody needs to watch the kids while Sarah's teaching how to use an iPad.
Apple.
Wow.
Abby will come in here.
It's a frisbee.
Does Abby have one?
It's a coaster. Yeah.
I don't know.
That's not an iPad.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, I could do that.
Oh, you'll get the name right now.
Hey, hold it up, Ted.
I don't have
Ted, hold it up.
I'm sure if you
Not in front of
Okay. Thank you guys.
you. We don't know what that is. It could be anything.
It's a computer, I'm sure.
I know, but
Oh,
it's just black.
maybe with the apple.
How about the apple? There you go.
Oh, there we go. That's better.
Oh, it's a commercial.
Ted.
This gift brought to you by Apple.
There, now look at Jeremy.
Hi. This is a video, so you don't have to look at me. You just keep acting like yourselves. This is the best.
Oh, you guys.
I figured since Joel and Karen couldn't be here, we'd send them an email.
You know what? You probably take a picture. You gotta take a picture.
Are you guys fighting over it already? They know how it works. They're fighting over it.
No. There's a website. She's on there? No.